How to reset old settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. In here, scroll down and then tap on reset. Then we scroll down and tap on reset all settings. Now go down and tap on reset settings. Now if you perform reset all settings, this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So now tap on the reset settings button. Next, we need to enter in your device passcode and then tap on continued. And once you are sure to go ahead, tap on this reset button to go ahead. Now I will not reset at this time because that will require me to re-enter my Wi-Fi password and other settings. But for you, if you're ready, just tap on the reset button. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.